Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use cell fracture. First, ensure the cell fracture add-on is enabled in your preferences. This powerful tool allows you to break any three-dimensional object into numerous smaller fragments, simulating realistic destruction. It is perfect for creating dynamic scenes, like crumbling walls or shattering glass, adding a dramatic visual impact to your projects. You can achieve intricate details with just a few simple steps. Before applying the fracture, proper object preparation is crucial for success. Select your target object and confirm it is a single mesh, without any disconnected parts. It is also vital to apply any scale or rotation transformations to prevent unexpected deformations during the fracturing process. This ensures the add-on calculates the breaks accurately, giving you predictable and visually appealing results every single time. Now let's dive into the settings. Access the cell fracture panel, usually found under the Object's Quick Effects menu. Here, you will choose your source type. Own Vertices uses the object's geometry, while Annotation Pencil allows for custom drawing. Experiment with the noise value, typically between 0.1 and 1.0, and recursion depth to control the complexity and randomness of the fractured pieces. After fracturing, you will have many individual pieces. It is often helpful to separate these into distinct objects for easier manipulation. Next, apply rigid body physics to these fragments, setting them as active to react to forces like gravity and collisions. You can then animate their destruction by keyframing their active or passive states, creating compelling and dynamic visual effects for your scene with precision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.